Cleaning the elevator. When cleaning the elevator, first, put a traffic control device. Start by sweeping the sides of the elevator floor. Then, vacuum the elevator floor. Before cleaning the mirrors, place a newspaper at the bottom of the mirror and stand on it. Then, clean the mirror by wiping it with a squeegee in a number 8 motion. Next, clean the elevator buttons and railings by wiping them with a cloth in a spiral motion. Finally, wipe the door and remove the traffic control device.